Hello folks, today's tutorial is about streamlining task reporting. This technique will save your time and effort when managing large datasets. So let's dive in. Here's a task sheet where each task is categorized by date, department, task description, and assignee. Our goal is to convert this into a single row format where each department task is summarized under its own column. Like this, first we will load our data into Power Query. To do this, go to the Data tab and click on From Table Range. Ensure that your task sheet is formatted as a table. Once the data is loaded into the Power Query, we need to group the data by date. This will allow us to condense all tasks for each department into a single row. To group data, click on the Transform tab, then select Group By. In the Group By window, set Group By, that is date, new column name, group data, and operations, that will be all rows. Next, we need to concatenate the task description and assignee by department. To do this, add a custom column by going to the Add Column tab and selecting Custom Column. This formula merges the task description and assignee into one string. To convert the data into a raw format where each department has its own column, we need to pivot the data. Select the department column, go to the Transform tab and click on Pivot Column. In the Pivot option, choose Custom as the value column, and for advanced operations, select Don't Aggregate and click OK. If you get an error about nested data, simply delete the grouped data column by right-clicking and choosing Remove. Now that the data is in the desired format, we can load it back into Excel. Go to the Home tab and click Close and Load to see the final output. Once the sheet is generated, it can be modified as per your requirements. To check if it's dynamic, add a new data into the task entry sheet. Notice that it won't update automatically in the final output sheet until you refresh the query. You can refresh the query by going to the Data tab and selecting Refresh All. Once refreshed, we have successfully created a dynamic task sheet that updates a new task as a new task are added. This automation will streamline our task reporting process and make the data management easier.